Hello everyone! Wow, the room looks so calm and peaceful without me, isn't it? So today we're going to have a look on some tiny glowing objects. These cute little creatures are present in a variety of devices such as smartphone, torches, digital clock, TV screens and many other devices. Do you know what I'm talking about? This magical device is LED. An LED is a small device which glows when electricity passes through it. Hey, where did you get it from? I've been looking for them all day long. Give it back to me. Huh, fine. These are so beautiful. I just love them. Yes, where was I? LEDs. LEDs are available in wide range of colors and some even emit invisible light such as infrared. LEDs emitting infrared are very common. They are used in remote controls for ACs, TVs, etc. Now let's have a look on 3 important concepts that we must keep in mind whenever we are dealing with LED. But instead of me talking about LEDs, let's hear it from LED itself.
Hello everyone, my name is LED. There are a few things that you should know about me. They are polarity, intensity and current limit. Let's talk about polarity first. Just like batteries, I also have a positive and a negative terminal. As a result, the current passes through me only in one direction, that is from positive to negative. Connecting me in reverse may hurt me. Fortunately, there's an easy way to find out which terminal is positive and which is negative. Out of my 2 legs, my 2 terminals, the longer one is positive and the other is negative. But this is not a foolproof method. If you look closely at the base, you notice that the boundary is flat above one of my legs. This one is negative and the other is positive. Now, let's talk about intensity. You know that according to Ohm's law, current increases when the voltage across the circuit increases. You can exploit this law to vary how bright I shine by changing the amount of current passing through me. As the current increases, brightness also increases. Similarly, as current decreases, brightness also decreases. Finally, it's time to talk about current limit. Every device around you can handle current up to a certain limit, which is known as the current rating of the device. We LEDs are no different. We can withstand current but up to a certain limit, after which it might hurt us. The usual rating is 20 milliampere. Well, that was all. Always keep these characteristics in mind and you'll be fine. Bye-bye.
Nowadays, LED bulbs and lights are very popular because they use less energy compared to the conventional filament bulbs. Therefore, less power usage, less electricity bills, which means more pizzas. Now, talking of pizzas, it made me hungry. So, let me order one. Till then, see ya!